We're Jackson and Rami, two 9-to-5 guys from America on a month-long backpacking trip through Italy. Globetrotting isn't our full-time thing, but we're set on traveling with intention. We're not exactly nomads. In this video, we take an overnight trip with our new friend Steven to the town of Volterra, located in the Tuscan countryside. We soak in small-town Italian charm, take in amazing views, and indulge in regional cuisine.
Oh, that's a video?
That's a video.
Oh my god.
Somebody else
taking a picture with their new friends at the cafe.
There it is.
Rami's struggling.
Okay. I'm struggling, man. It's already more.
All right, just pieced out of our Florence hostel. What do you have to say about Florence?
It's Disneyland, man. It's fucking Disneyland all over again.
It is a lovely, beautiful city. Great museums, great history, architecture. It is a little commercialized and run with tourists, so
But
it's time to get to the countryside.
And we're joined by a new character.
Yes, hey, I'm Steven, and I'm on the adventure of a lifetime with Rami and Jackson.
Steven's joining us in Volterra. We're all going on the same day, and we figured, hey, let's just travel together. Let's stay in the same spot. Let's get to the train station. Let's get out of the busy city into the countryside. See what it has to offer. Train station is packed. This is nuts. Alright, we made our first train. This train's filling up a bit. Rami, I might have to sit on your lap.
Anytime.
Finished our first train ride and wound up not even know what time. Looking for our bus now. So we're trying to figure it out.
We went to the
Made our bus. Everyone's a little sweaty.
an hour?
Pulling into the city of Volterra. It's gonna be good. These hills are great. Alright, hopped off the bus. We have no internet. We're looking for how to get there. I have a feeling we're coming up on a very nice view. Holy crap.
That's beautiful.
This is a vibe. Check this view. Gorgeous. Damn.
I think that means the first.
Another brilliant viewpoint. We can just barely see the old monastery that we're staying at off in the distance. All right, made it to our hostel. Look at that. The old monastery. We're in a very awkward situation here in our hostel. What are you doing? Also, there's somebody asleep over there.
I think
Set up in a hostel. Let's go for a little adventure. Found this view here, and it almost looks like there's a little path. Went for a little walk in the field here. Now this is Italy. This is what I come for. Not to stand in line, but to be free and enjoy this. Looking gorgeous out. Ah, hello.
This is where Tuscan bread comes from.
Let's get a close up of that chomp right there. Yummy. See, this is what we come to Italy for. Soak in these views, to stand in the field and look really stoic, like Rami.
This is beautiful, man.
It's not to stand in line or go through some commercial experience. It's to come out here and create our own experience for ourselves. Just had our little moment in the field. This was us right here. We were recreating that sculpture. Anyway, it's time to head back into the city, find Steven, find her new Swedish, Finnish, Denmark friend. I can't remember where she's from. I love these vintage cars here. This is from a rental shop, and they also have these mopeds. Rami's cooking up some ideas.
Dude, I would love to fucking swing that bad boy around the Tuscan countryside.
Back in town. It is very quiet here.
I love it.
This is the complete opposite of Florence.
No, right? We went from day and night, basically.
We just walked up towards this fortress right here, thinking it was a historical site, but it's just a prison.
It's just state prison.
Yeah, let's not go there.
I mean, honestly, if it means I can get inside, man, fucking I'll commit a crime.
Oh my god. This is such an aesthetic, beautiful Italian little garden. Dude, I love these little things.
The tricycles.
Then we got the Porsche over here. What?
Oh, dude.
It's a very diverse parking lot. This thing is sick too. I don't even know what that is.
Dude, neither do I.
Just stumbled onto another view.
Look at the boundary.
All right, back with our friends. Damn, look at that.
Literally like outside of our hostel.
There's another bus stop that has a terrific view.
Oh my goodness.
This is backhand.
Dang. Don't mess with Steven. This is the perfect sunset spot in this town. Dang. Just dangling again.
Relax.
We're scaring Steven. Oh, jeez. All right, I'm standing up with Rami.
On top of the world.
Inspired me. Get on my feet. All right. Found our spot. Into the dungeon we go. Dang. All right, guys. Cheers.
There we go.
This is my type of
Dude,
wine.
look at the ceiling behind you. Not above you, behind you.
I am looking behind me.
Oh my god, it's all the clouds and everything. Dinner time. Let's dig in. Got the boar, a pasta, spinach. Tell me what you got.
I have no idea.
No idea. It's
the
just
beans.
good. Oh, and beans.
You can't
So we got
forget the beans.
Just finished dinner. They're all a little tipsy. Why do you have so many receipts?
Dude, they kept just denying
What
it.
is happening?
I fucking don't know.
Oh my gosh. All right, Rami and I hitting the streets at night, walking around.
A little tipsy.
A little tipsy.
Had a lot of wine tonight.
We had a lot of wine. Oh my god. Bruh. We're on a drunken adventure right now, back at the viewpoint. Nothing really showing up on camera. Rami's just out here having a moment. Just being a statue at the view and cheeked up. Alright, he finally got down. Titanic. Living the moment. Time to get back. Made it back to the hostel. To the rain. I'm just tucking Rami into bed. Get him nice and cozy.
Come join me, Jackson.
Okay, here. I'll climb on up. There we go. Time to spoon. Oh my god. Alright, Steven's taking off. Appreciate everything.
So much fun.
Yeah, thanks for being a part of our journey, and we can't wait to catch you on the next
You
one.
guys are mad adventurers.
Mostly just Rami. Rami's the most mad.
I'm just crazy, bitch.
Alright, good morning, guys. Another beautiful rainy day in Volterra. A little hungover from all the wine we had with Steven and Leedy last night. But we're going to check out the city for a little bit longer before we got to head to Rome. So,
Yeah.
big travel day, and we're procrastinating a bit, but we'll figure it
We're
out.
not procrastinating. We're just recovering from the copious amount of wine we drank.
Good way to put it. Look at this dog right here. Alright, just got our grocery store breakfast again. Coop. Just eating under whatever cover we could find. Alright, we had a feeling these Venice rain boots would come in handy once again, because man, it is pouring. We decided after getting caught in that rain, I think it's just time to peace out. So, get our rain covers going.
How do you feel, Jackson?
All right, good news. Made it on the bus. Bad news. We are completely soaked. Oh my god.
It's a little damp.
All right, made it to the train station. We are still very wet. What are you doing?
Dude, I am soaked. This shirt is a goner. I need like to change out. Oh my god.
changed my pants, socks, underwear. I feel like a new man. Nice and dry. My guy is passed out. Another busy day at the train station. Damn. I think our Flixbus may have just shown up.
Finally, after numerous delays.
We're off. Alright. Made it off the Flixbus. Let's figure out where we're going. Alright, just got to our Airbnb and holy shit. This is such a nice place.
This is fancy. We're living it up in here, man.
There's not one bedroom. There's not two bedrooms. There's 3 whole bedrooms.
With this little beef hole up there, I guess.
Perfect. Rami just broke his bed.
What? Fucking collapsed the railing.
What happened? Dude. What the fuck?
Oh my gosh.